let me explain about this. See the front part, the side, the right side part, the back side part, again the left side part, again the front side part and the top side part. Like this, and the back part here. So let's explain about these features. First we can open it like, pull this out like this. The way to insert is keep it like this, push it a bit, and until you hear a click. This is simply I've colored, and we can open the roof like this. Just pull out the roof. Look at the inside part. Look at the inside part. So this is the toilet, and this is a driver. This part is the driver. See part and all. This is the toilet part. Bedroom. The door. Where door is right here. Like here. Here's the bedroom that can be even pulled out like this. And here's the mini kitchen here. And here is a seat with a TV on here. TV in here. Next we can even pull this out like this. Now you can see properly, like a house.
Super.
Like a house. This is actually a caravan, not a house. See it in. Now would you like connect it back, and now it's easy to remove the tires. Now let's put the roof back. Next let's see here how to remove tires. So easy, pull this out. So again. Oh, this fell. Next on the side. Oh, well, it can move. It can move even without a tire. Good one, but not so fast. How to insert the tire? Place the tire like this. Oh, it fell. So this is me. Like this. Follow the same for other tires. So after inserting the tires, now this vehicle is finished. Let's go and move it off like this.